Alright, kale abazungu balina enjogera egamba nti time is the best judge, nti ekiseera ye mulamuzi asinga, era enjogera y'ekiseera eno time yeyatiikirira nnyo mu bigambo bya munnabyabufuzi akulembera ekibiina kya Alliance for National Transformation ANT, General Grigore Mugisha Muntu. Grigore Mugisha Muntu emirundi gyonna gy'abadde anoonya akalulu mu FDC okubeera president w'ekibiina ekyo nga bamwogerera ebigambo, oyo mbega wa Museveni, oyo Maalo, oyo, naye ng'abantu kalaga nti naye bannange mugamba nkolera Museveni, naye olunaku lumu bwe luti abalibeerawo ekiseera kiribalamula. Nakyo ndaga nti time nakiddingana emirundi 3, naye olunaku lw'eggulo nawulidde ennaku ey'ekitalo gye sirabanga nga ndaba pulezidenti wa FDC eyenajja nankumbi Amuriat Oboi Patrick ayogera ebigambo eby'obusiru, ayogera ebigambo eby'obuwutta, ayogera ebigambo ebyabupuuzi, ayogera ebigambo ebyekyana ekito. Nenzijukira ebigambo by'omusajja byeruga nti time, ekiseera. Era bannange simanyi na kumanya, naye ndowooza singa tubadde mu ggwanga erizannya ebyobufuzi eby'abantu abali soba, oyo omusajja yandibadde kati alekulidde. Sirabanga musajja alinga bannayo bono mugambe ki ekintuntu omuwedde emirimu omuwulenge gwennyini. Oba bannange Amuriat alina abaana mu nsi muno, bw'abanga ali Patrick Amuriat bw'abanga alina abaana bazadde, bannange embeega tewabawasa bawalabe. Bw'abanga alina balenzi bazadde tetujja kukola nabo. Toyinza kuba muntu, but what type of person is this? President w'ekibiina omulamba nodda mu kukola lugambo nga lwa kikazi lwa ku mizigo, ng'otutegeeza nga Ingrid yajja n'aŋŋamba oyo Maalo, bw'aŋŋamba nti oyo Maalo ne mugamba ne Besigye tugenda kwetondera Mugisha Muntu kubanga Besigye ye yaŋŋambanga. Naye bannaye n'omusajja kitegeeza bulijjo okola ebintu gwe kennyini teweetegeerera. N'ensonga lwaki banno baakuvanga baga nti gwe kennyini tolina bwongo bwetegeerera. Amuriat abakutegeerera ye Nandala Mafabya, gwe kennyini ng'omuntu tolina ky'otegeera, gwe jjo wakakasiza nti tolina kyeweetegeerera. Abantu abakulu ng'oli mu bifo eby'obuvunaanyizibwa babaawo ebintu bye basirikira, toyinza kukeera n'ogamba ggwanga olunaku lumu tulyetondera Mugisha Muntu n'ojja oyogera Ingrid ye yaŋŋamba n'aŋŋamba ne mugamba Ingrid okakasa nga Mugisha Maalo n'aŋŋamba ne mbuuza ne Besigye naye n'akakasa nti Mugisha Maalo. Kitegeeza okolera ku lugambo. Kati abaakugjamu obwesiga oleme kubeera pulezidenti wa kibiina baali batuufu. Kyamukusala mulungi nti si kyalina bukulembeze bwo. What type of person are you? Ne bw'aba yakugamba ebyo ebintu ebimu waliwo omuntu byasirikira omuganda byagamba nti lekamu ensiisi bye ziririra mu ttaka, waliwo naffe bye tumanyi bye tutayinza kwogera. Odongo otandise kuyomba na mukazi mb'oyomba ne Salaam Musumba. We normally see Salaam Musumba at State House. We don't know what takes her there. Lwaki bulijjo tomubuuza? Mubaze naye emyaka 2 nga ye vice president, mubaze naye emyaka 2 nga ye vice chairman, mubaze naye emyaka 2 nga mukola naye olwaleero. Lwaki weegaana lwaleero? Bannange era gana amawanga gamusimanyi na kumanya. Mbasomesa wano bulijjo nti abasajja abamanyi ebyobufuzi abagumu nga Ssebaggala eyalina abantu yali amanyi wano ab'ebicupuli n'agenda gy'agenda nga bamuvunaana ne bamuvunaana, be yali nabo bonna nga bamuvunaana nabo talina gwe yayatula wadde n'omu, n'asibwa emyezi gye yasibwa n'akomano nga talina gw'ayatudde. Naye nawulidde omusajja omukulu bali awo adongwa, waliwo n'abalala abawuliriza ayogera ebyosungaze mu lugambo olw'oku mizigo. Please Amuriat, copy something from Dr. Besigye, from the things you have done to Besigye, from the many campaigns that you have done to Malisi Besigye. Besigye has been respectful and decent in his language. What are you offering, you people? You are leading a political party that is going to have elections in 2026. People are waiting to hear you speak about policy issues. People are waiting to hear you protect their lives. People are waiting to hear you fight for their rights. And the best you can do is to do rumamongering and kwogera lugambo nga lwa ku mizigo. Tulaba Salamu Musumba ng'atera okugenda mu State House. Tumulaba bulijjo ng'awolekera Museveni bagenda ebweru ne badda. Olaba bagenze kwogera ku ki? Odungwa kirwaki bulijjo tomubuuza? Gwe badde party president lwaki tomuwandiikiranga? Show us one petition you wrote. You have been the party president. Salamu Musumba was under you. Show us one letter you wrote asking Salamu Musumba to explain her connections with the State House or with her connections with foreign trips in Museveni. Omulaba nga bulijjo agenda naawe bw'aba abadde agenda naawe. Agenda ku State House gw'obeera luddawo okumulaba ng'agenda. Ogamba bulijjo tumulaba. Lwaki waba omulaba bulijjo tomubuuza ng'avaayo? Abadde agenda kuleetera ssente. Walabi kati obadde agenda n'aleeta n'okiryamu kati takyaleeta otandika otuleekaanira. Naye mmwe muli bantu ki omusibisizza abantu b'abantu? You are leading a party that people have shed blood for. Abamu balema, abamu bagenzi, abamu bava mu mawanga bawanganguka because of a party. You are the top of a party and you start behaving like these foot soldiers. What's the type of the difference between you and the foot soldiers we've been talking about abali mu Nuupu? Ngana wevayo kwogera bya busiru bwe bityo. What type of party leader can come and start speaking like oyomberanga ayomba ali kubiko ayombera kulumbe ebyo bwe bityo? Oyo Musumba naye ngamba yetagenda mu State House bwabera ne Museveni bulijjo abadde akola yoki. Nze bannange mundeke nze sinze nze omanyingulire yajja nangamba nti oyo Maalo ne Besigye naye nakakasa ng'oyo Maalo. Sinza nakugeza ku bakazi nandiga nti obikolanga mukazi. Nina abakazi bakola olugamba bakola olw'ekitegeevu. Bano be bantu abamalira bannayuganda obudde mbu okulembere n'oyo naye kiri awo nakyo mbu okulembere agenda kulembera oyo mu ye political party leader. A political party leader, I can't believe, maybe it is true Ingrid told you, maybe it is true Besigye told you. At that time they were doing it for your benefit and you benefited from it. We malign the people to support you. We malign the people against Muntu to support you. You won, and the leadership you are clinging on today is out of that maligning of Mugisha Muntu. How do you come up today and start saying that you are going to apologize to Mugisha Muntu? Why did you run a campaign on lies? Why do you want to show people that your head does not think bakutegerera butegerezi gwoli awo mutwe engalabi ogwala batamale emirugo tewetegera bakutegerera butegerezi lero tamale lero mwingirudi bwakutegerera ng'okola ekyo mulaba wanajja nga akutegerera nga naye okola ekyo. What type of person are you? Are you worth leading anybody? Amuriat, have you produced any children for this country? If they are daughters, we can't take your daughters. If they are sons, we cannot work with them. That was the worst you have done. Fight your political battles alone. Don't malign people. Bulijjo Salamu Musumba and man, Amuriat, somebody should tell you with your goons, because you have trained a team of goons just to do one thing, to blackmail Besigye. Some idiots on the group were using me. I said Besigye, Simanyi is a spent force, Simanyi bichi. You cannot use me to malign Besigye. I can tell you, I love Besigye with my heart, with my body, with my psychology, with all of my will. Whether he's in politics or outside politics, whether he's alive or he's dead, I love Besigye. If you want to fight Besigye, please don't use me. If you want to fight your wars with Besigye, please don't use me. Neither can I sit and look around when you people are trying to damage the record of a man. And you people, Amuriat, please spare your energies. You have tried all you can. Okwonona Besigye. Besigye tayononeka. You have tried to fight Besigye. Besigye is not fightable. You cannot win him. You never be him. You never be equal to him. You never be half of him. Netandika tukolera bintu bya busiru. And the information that comes to you by virtue of your being a party leader, either about me or about Salamu Musumba or about Besigye or about anybody, is supposed to be preserved by you for your safety, for the safety of the party, for the safety of the country, for the safety of others. kati ekyo kibiina ki bakubuza polisi kati muze mu byakwerangira salamu musumba wagenda nga mu state house inguridi gwe sigwangamba nti Mugisha muntu mall. We remember this story very well, unless you want to provoke us to speak what we know. I know who hated Mugisha muntu. Abatayagala Mugisha muntu bona, all of the enemies, all the people who hated Mugisha muntu with passion, Anandra Mafabi's friends. Anandra Mafabi is the reason you exist. In fact, there is no you without Mafabi. But I thought Mafabi, who is the rich man and knowledgeable, can help you to think. Is he knowledgeable anyway? You cannot do that. Toterebuka Bamwenda, the one you are working with today, Toterebuka Bamwenda resigned and left the party and said, for as long as Mugisha Muntu is a party leader, he cannot be there. And for all those years, he never stepped at Najana Nkumbi, he never did anything because he told us he cannot be led by Madrasi Banyarwanda. And they were maligning Mugisha Muntu. Are you not working with them? If you love Mugisha Muntu and you want to apologize to him, what did Lubaramira tell us? Tried to running a campaign. We are running a campaign. When you stood with Nandala Mafabi, Lubaramira Rulanga told us on Munyarwanda, tetusobola kumuwagira, we cannot support Munyarwanda, and they were leading campaigns for Nathan Nandala Mafabi. You were a part of that. Today you want to tell us that for you had no problems with Mugisha Muntu. It is Ingrid who come and told you he is a mole. What do you mean by a mole? When you say moles, you mean people who go to Museveni's government and pick money. Don't you pick money? Don't you pick money from government? I'm asking you, Amuriat. Don't you pick money from Museveni? Don't you? You say you don't. Don't you? Say it in public that you have never picked money from Museveni or from government or from NRM. Say it. Say it and see where evidence comes from. You cannot start doing this. We sacrifice all our years for this party. We put our energies for this party. We lost our youthful time for this party. You're leading a party. We know that there are disagreements between you and other people. But please preserve others and preserve yourself. People as a party. You people said, Besigye aweddemu. Ne mugamba ne police Besigye aweddemu temudagana. Because we know who you work with. You work with the police. Ne mugamba police Besigye temumutataganya, mumuleka akole anything tayina kyali. Why are you bothered by somebody that tayina kyali aweddemu? You say this aweddemu tayina kyali tayina kyasobola. Today you are bothered. Why are you bothered? Let the wasted man sit where he is seated and you progress with your own thing. Please don't damage people like that. It cannot be you, Oboi. I am angry because Patrick Oboi, it is Besigye. Dr. Kiza Besigye and Nandala Mafabi, who told us to support you when we did not know you. When Alisa Alaso warned us. So when you go and apologize to Mugisha Muntu, I also go and apologize to Alisa Alaso, because Alisa Alaso told us you can't manage this villager. This man you are dealing with does not think. This man you are dealing with is half intelligent. This man you are dealing with is vindictive. This man you are dealing with is not worth being a party leader. He told us that this villager you are bringing cannot lead the party. And that's why we called you a villager. People called you a villager. We turned around and we were defending. We said we shall go with the villager. You are exactly doing the village things. Now you go and apologize to Mugisha Muntu. I also go and apologize to Alisa Alaso. In fact, the person to apologize to is Alisa Alaso, because Alisa Alaso warned us. Alaso yatulabula. Yatugamba ono gwe muleta tasobola. Ono tanasobola kebe waffe teeso. Yatugamba nti ono tasobola, ono bwe kuba kuwuta muwuta tasobola kulembera. And today you are exposing your naivety. What type of person are you? Nimwe bannayuganda mubayita ki? Millions of Ugandans have trust in you as their party leader. Otandise genda nga ombasagana bino osula bino nabi. Kati who is going to entrust you with any secrets, with any intelligence, with any information? Ngogeno eno linga mbata nti kyolya kyofulumya. Sebo, Amuriat, here it is the dark. One bad called the dark that we know. Called Mbata. Ask whoever knows Mbata. Kyetumanyi nti kyerya kyefulumya, kyerya kyefulumya, kyerya kyefulumya. Please preserve your energies. Don't you have people to live on? How do you do that? Otandise kati kuogera bino nabiri. You are going to speak everything. You said this, you said this. And Ugandans are waiting to hear the policy positions you speak. They are waiting to hear the political strategy you have. They are waiting to hear you speak as a party leader on the socio-economic transformation. They are waiting to hear you speak about the unemployment problem in Uganda. You are telling us Salam Musumba goes to State House and takes Museveni on foreign trips. I can also confirm that you and Salam Musumba go to State House together. You go to State House with hand pick money together and eat it together. There is no doubt Salam Musumba has gone with Museveni on a foreign trip without your knowledge. In fact, on knowledge at the consultation. Is this how Nandla has treated our party?
Do you want to buy land or construct a house? Worry no more. Boss Land Estates is here to serve you. We offer services in selling land on different roads that link you to Kampala City, land surveying, land title processing, letters of administration processing, general construction works, and property management. We allow payments in installments. Our plots of land are prime and are near main tarmac roads. Prices are affordable. Inspection is free. For more packages, call 0777 490 785. WhatsApp 0704 699 388 or visit our offices at Ham Towers, Level 4, Suite number HT54, opposite Makerere University, Main Gate. Boss Land Estates, we guide you home.
Nandala Mafabi, the Secretary General, the one fighting Besigye. Is this how the world pays others? That Nandala Mafabi and Patrick Oboi can lead a group of goons to attack and malign Besigye, the very man who made you people and promoted you people and showed you to us. This is how the world pays. Banange sibweti wesasula Uganda bwetu wesasula. Is this the democracy that we have grown over time? That the party leaders we have are just as equal to kumanyoko politics? Nti ku nsonga ennene eziri mu ggwanga abantu ze boogerako, insecurity, human rights abuses, corruption, mwe mutandise kuyita press conference akutumalira budde kutubuliranga Salam Musumba bwagenda mu State House. Imagine a whole man, oh Jesus Christ, a whole man like you cannot stand on your own. Tewetegerera. You act on what Ingrid told you. But now you know to be jukira. You know that Jack Sabit toterebuka bamwenda lubaramira ruranga. The ruranga we have are people who hated Mugisha Muntu with passion. They are your best friends. They are your consultants. They are the people who make your centerpiece. We cannot allow you to destroy a party to which we put our blood, we put our efforts. Resign. Amuriat, you resign. Please resign. Amuriat, you resign because you have demonstrated the kind of naivety. You cannot be a party leader, please. You resign. I regret taking for you in 2021. I took this man to be president of Uganda. I did not know. Men don't die like that, Amuriat. Besigye knows a lot of secrets about you people. But even when he gets very angry, he does not go spilling this and that. Now you want to show us that for you loved Mugisha Muntu, it is others who hated him. How? You dine with his nemesis. You dine with those who hate Mugisha Muntu most. In fact, those who said they cannot work when Muntu is party president came back when you assumed the presidency. If they told you Mugisha Muntu is a mole as a party leader, did you take your own efforts to find out whether he's a mole or not? You are pretending today. I am waiting. You go and apologize to Mugisha Muntu, which is what you want to do. We also apologize to Ali Sala, so who warned us that this primitive village you are bringing is not going to take you a step. Instead, is going to destroy our institution. And they left. Imagine your own tribe mate left Muteso left. Muteso won't dance about you, Muteso Munne. Nangati, this one will not manage. This villager will not manage. They left the party because of you. We gave you a benefit of doubt. What type of person are you? No. It cannot be. You cannot stoop that low. You can have political disagreements. Politics is not a clan. Politics is not a bloodline. Politics is not in our DNA. You can have disagreements. You can disagree with the Besigye and his group, but you cannot stoop too low to start bringing ebintu eby'ekyana ekito of who told you what, where and when. Ebyo biba bya kito naawe maani kula. Mwe baba anyway. Mwe mukula bukuzi. Temuyina budde bubakuza. You just mukula bukuzi mu myaka. Sebo omusajja abanga musajja. Omusajja tadwankuma na bigambo bwatyo. A man preserves himself. Todwankuma na bigambo bwe bityo byotandise okukola nkati tubuulire buli kimu. Tubuulire ne gye mbadde mujja ssente. Zoze mwali mu iPod mwa meetinga mu 7 nga tuzire. Wali ogenda okiriza ogenda oku meetinga mu 7 bakuwe milioni 10 n'ogana ne bakufiiriza n'ogamba abagende basumani basala nti bagende baleete bakuwe. Didn't you take? This is not good. This is not good. Amuriat, kiki osinga Lukwago katuwogereko? Let's ask ourselves. Kiki osinga Lukwago? Kyosinzako okuvuma Lukwago n'okusindika abaana bamuvume. You claim to be in the opposition. Whether this group forms a political party, it is also good because they are also forming a political party to fight the same government you fight. So they become brothers, they are comrades. Look at them the way you look at ANT, look at them the way you look at NOP, JEMA, DP, UPC. Just run your party well, that together as a group you work together to remove this government. Nengamba abantu wano bulijjo. Wano mu Uganda ne waggulu gye tuli teriyo bantu bakola opposition. Tulina banoonyi ba nsimbi kubanga nezibayombyanga bana. Zikuluma nnyo kubanga Musalamu Musumba agenda mu State House n'afuna ssente n'atakuwa naawe genda. Gwe zojjayo ntono. Oba bwe tusirikawuza tetumanyi. Nawulidde okuswala okw'ekitalo. You need to hear this clip. Wuliriza clip omusajja ono byayogera bane. Muyinza okulowooza nti you listen to what this man is. You listen to this clip. Owulira omusajja ono byayogera. Wuliriza omusajja omukulu byadongwa nabyo. A whole party president ngayise press conference ya bannamawulire ne bannamawulire nabo balaba ennaku tetulina kyakola buli muntu bazunga buzunzi bwa munayogere temumanya n'abayita nga talina byamagezi byagenda kukola mwesanze nga abamalira obudde ayogera ebintu ebyobusiru. We cannot operate like that. Amuriat bannange erinse ekubuzaako ne woona abeera. I cannot believe that Amuriat Oboi Nathan Nandra Mafabi can sit in one meeting to agree to destroy Dr. Besigye. So how about us who read Nandra Mafabi's story and the manifesto for the speakership, in which he praises Besigye as his political mentor and as the man who attracted him to politics? Positions. You disagree politically. Disagree on political issues of substance, but do not stoop too low into sending insults left and right and center. Do not stoop too low into speaking like a child. You know, and Ingrid came to me and oh, no musajja bano mubajja waba no tamale yatubuzanga nti bali amere kitu jimma abaana naye abaana ba Amuriat bali amere kitu jimma abaana baffe bali amere kitu jimma abaana eyo tetugenda jiwa abaana baffe abaana ba Amuriat tetulina gye simanyi na kumanya baba because I don't know any sina abaana ba Amuriat bemmanyi. I don't know any child sibamanyi. I wish I knew them. We would talk to them to talk to you, but I don't know them. You cannot. Do not shift the way we know. You benefited from the stream that maligned the mount. Do not speak to them like you are an angel. You are a primary beneficiary and the key beneficiary of the mad slinging, the maligning, the bad campaign, the bad mouthing against Mugisha Muntu. You benefited from it. It is actually without it you would not be party president today. Without that, you would not be where you are. Do not pretend that you were clean and it is other people who fed you on rumor that Mugisha Muntu was a mole. You were all moles. Who is not a model there? Tell me, and you yourself, do you know what we know? Who is not a model there? It's good you have said that you see Salam Musumba going to State House all the time. Where are you? Omulaba oliruddawa. Era nawe wera ne woyimiridde w'omulabira. In fact, mugenda mwenna. Salam Musumba should be able to confirm that you go together. If Salam Musumba goes to State House, so what? Bwaba agenda ku foreign trips. You know, it is Mr. Oboi. It's about knowledge. The president is the fountain of honor in Uganda. When he's taking foreign trips and is going to meet foreign dignitaries or fellow presidents, he only carries a high delegation of top intellectual understanding, top cream. If Salam Musumba is one of those selected to accompany the president on these trips, no, it's on the basis of high intelligence. If you are equal to her, they would also carry you, but they cannot because you don't measure up. Our party like this, we cannot listen to such nonsense. It's not possible. Let other parties die, but you cannot kill FDC. People have spilled blood for FDC. Abana bali mu makomera family zabwe zayononeka because they supported FDC. People were imprisoned. Others are disabled persons because of FDC. You lead the party and then you start kudongwana byabusiru like that. That we cannot. All efforts, whether we are where or wherever we are, will resist all efforts to destroy USG. The parties you see today, the political parties you are enjoying today as a party president, are because Elias Lukwago nga tonnabaamu nakutegeera nga tonnaddamu magezi. It's because Elias Lukwago and Let Paul Kawanga Semwogerere put their knowledge, time and resources together to fight for the restoration of multi-party democracy. Is the reason that there is a political party. The Salam Musumba you're trying to destroy is the one who carried the money, a sack of monies, to go and register FDs that you are enjoying today. If you don't like her, preserve her. Respect Omuleke Wali. Leave her, you can do without talking about her. We cannot accept. Mama, what is so special coming from Teso? That's for us now we should listen. Everybody is bad because Teso gave us to you. Even Teso that gave you to us does not vote for you, Amuriat. They don't. When we are voting for you in Nambole, the Bateso refused to vote for you. It is the Busoga and other regions that galvanize together to vote for you. Your tribesmen refuse to vote for you. They warned us that the man you are bringing is insufficient and incompetent. That this villager you are bringing cannot manage this political party. We did not believe in them. We gave you a benefit of doubt, but indeed you have proved it to us that you cannot run a political party. In just 5 years of your time, the whole party is gone. Everything is in shambles. And every day, you degenerate every day. Every other day, your standard degenerates. Leave Westj alone. Run your politics, run your corrupt schemes, run your treachery, go pick your money, but please preserve others. We love other leaders. We love them. Don't pretend. Don't pretend that it's Ingrid and Bessie that told you that Muntu was bad. You yourself looked for information and told us in a campaign meeting that you are very much aware that this Mugisha Muntu is a mole. Toterebuka Bamwenda said he cannot be at FDC. The moment Mugisha Muntu wins, he will never be there. And when Mugisha Muntu won, he left. He only returned to the party when you came. So are the Jack Sabiti, so are the Rangarangas and the others. We know these things, but we thought we can change political shades and political times and preserve ourselves. If they want to go and start doing that, if your mission at Najana Nkumbi is to destroy fellow leaders in so childish and primary manner that you have started, we are also ready to do that. We will take that route, preserve our leaders. Amuriat, you came juicy here. You know where these people come from. Do not attack people like that. Do not speak the absolute, because when you speak the way you are speaking, n'abandiyingidde patala naye ono mukulembeze ki, whether what you are saying is true or not, preserve it for yourself. Tewali ayagala kumanya. We don't want to know. This is a typical villager. You to attack a Besigye who made you, you think God can listen to you. There is nothing that God hates like this kind of betrayal. That you people are built by Besigye nga ye yabatulaga, and Dr. Besigye, Doctor, my friend, my brother, my mentor, you showed us this man. You showed us this villager. You put your weight behind this villager. Some of us, we are not going to vote for him. We wanted to vote for another person. You put your weight behind these people. Can I say you did not have capacity to assess the people you are introducing to us? See what the people you raised are doing to us. Besigye, you raised these people to waste our time, Besigye. What is this?